Here's a pair of the AirPods 4. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. So we're going to factory reset this, but first I just want to note that I'm currently connected to my iPhone here, okay? It says connected. So let's go and factory reset this, okay? I'm going to go ahead and close the lid, okay? Now the thing is, note that there's no button here on the back, okay? If you look at all the other previous AirPods, if you look on the back, there's like a little button right here. You see the button right there? There is no button on the AirPods 4. It's basically an invisible button on the front here, not on the back, but on the front, okay? So let's go ahead and reset these, factory reset, okay? So close the lid, make sure the buds are in there, make sure there's no light on here, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And now we're gonna tap twice, again twice. You heard that beep? Again twice. Okay, so it was tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap 3 times, okay? Now it's gonna, okay, so it was blinking orange. Now it's blinking white. Now it's back in a pairing mode, okay? So if we go back here, if you want to connect back to the same device, it's in pairing mode. It's not gonna show up down here because remember, we were paired to it before, okay? So I need to go ahead and click on the I here, information, and I have to forget this device, okay? On the iPhone, you click on forget device. Android phone is like unpair. On the TV, it might say delete, okay? Now, if I want to connect back, it's still in the pairing mode, okay? So what I gotta do is turn the Bluetooth off, turn it back on, basically rescan it again. It's still in the pairing mode here. And then sometimes you can double tap and you'll get that window pop up here that you can connect that way. If not, you can just connect through this way as well, okay? Let me tap on AirPods right there. And voila, you can see that we are now connected.